There are countries which create global problems, and then there are countries like India which provide their solution. From Africa to America, for many years, made in India vaccines and medicines have served the global population, including the poor and vulnerable in countries like Pakistan. But unfortunately, it seems that there are people in China who are jealous of India's pharmaceutical industry and are doing their best to hurt India.
How ironic is it that on the one hand, Chinese state-run media undermines India's pharmaceutical industry by belittling or questioning India's vaccine potency, and then on the other hand, China's all-weather friend Pakistan seems to be happy using made-in-India vaccines to save its population from the pandemic. The Pakistani media outlet Dawn reported that Asad Umar tweeted the good news of the confirmation from COVAX for the supply of up to 17 million doses of the vaccine in the first half of 2021. The newspaper also quoted Dr. Faisal Sultan admitting that the vaccine is being prepared in India. Many in Pakistan consider India to be its enemy, but that hasn't stopped India from supplying the life-saving medicines to Pakistan. Not only that, India has also provided advanced medical treatments to many Pakistani patients in its world-class hospitals. On the other hand, Pakistan's iron brother, China, has also witnessed many of its patients benefiting by the Indian life-saving medicines and the Indian hospitals. A while ago, the state-affiliated Chinese media outlet Global Times had acknowledged how more and more Chinese patients are traveling to India for medication and treatment, especially for liver diseases and cancer, as they are attracted by India's cost-effective treatment and high-quality medical services. The tabloid also revealed how in the past, many Chinese were even trying to smuggle India's affordable drugs into China. But now, strangely enough, in the current geopolitical climate, it seems the Global Times has forgotten how India and Indian medicines have saved the lives of many Chinese citizens. Instead of acknowledging and remembering India for helping the vulnerable and sick Chinese citizens, it seems that the Chinese media outlet is actually attempting to mislead its readers about made-in-India vaccines. From a journalistic point of view, how terribly misleading is that? But this anti-India propaganda doesn't seem to be helping China much. For example, BRICS nation Brazil is thankful to India for the vaccines, and its president showed gratitude to India by remembering the Hindu god Hanumanji. Elsewhere, countries in Europe are already using or considering acquiring vaccines and medicines from India. In the Middle East or India's own neighborhood, the situation is not too different either. Various leaders are thanking India and are showing their gratitude. Experts are even calling this India's humanitarian diplomacy. As far as Africa is concerned, India is again emerging as a key partner in the vaccination drive. For the Africa report, Marie Toulmont mentions how in the rush to produce the vaccine first, countries such as China and Russia even skipped the classic stages of clinical trials. She also mentions that concerns about the real effectiveness of Chinese vaccines are growing and Russian deliveries are slow. It appears that due to China's actions and behavior, various countries around the world have a trust deficit with China. For example, a recent survey by a UK-based market research and data analytics firm revealed how an overwhelming majority of respondents in various countries think that the Chinese government authorities did try to hide the truth about the coronavirus when it was first detected inside China. Just look at these numbers. Perhaps China needs to understand that it's not always about muscle flexing or money. It is actually about good intentions. China needs to understand that it is not about winning wars, it is about winning hearts. And to fully understand that, it seems that the dragon can only benefit if it learns the art of India's humanitarian diplomacy. After all, there is no shame in learning from the country which is regarded as China's spiritual guru. See you again.